In this lesson, we'll discuss key interactions with repeaters. First, drag a repeater table onto the canvas. We'll add a rectangle to the repeater and name it order. Then we'll add a loaded interaction to it. Select the set variable value action and set the default variable onLoad variable to 0. Add an item loaded interaction to the repeater. The item loaded event occurs each time a row of data in the repeater loads. So since the repeater's data table has 3 rows, it will load 3 times. In the action settings, choose Set Variable Value to Text Value, then click the FX icon next to it. In the expression pop-up, enter onLoad variable plus 1, meaning the default variable value plus 1. Then set the text box value for order to the variable onLoad variable. Preview the prototype and you'll see that the values in the last row of the table are 1, 2, and 3. This is because each time the repeater item loads, the variable onLoad variable increments by 1. So the last row values increase sequentially by 1.